Hello students, this is video number 12 for the subject soil mechanics or geotechnical engineering, and in this video we will be looking a numerical. So let's begin. As you all can see a numerical here which reads as, in a compaction test on a soil, the mass of wet soil when compacted in the mold was 1.855 kg. The water content of the soil was 16%. The volume of mold was 0.945 liters. Determine the dry density, void ratio, degree of saturation, percentage air voids, and you can take G as 2.68. So यहाँ पर हो क्या रहा है, एक कॉम्पैक्शन टेस्ट हो रहा है, ठीक है, और उसमें हम लोग जो वेट सॉइल है उसका जो मोल्ड में जिसे मैं मोल्ड में डाल रहा हूँ उसकी जो मास है वो 1.855 kg दी हुई है। वाटर कंटेंट उसी सॉइल का 16% है और वॉल्यूम जिस मोल्ड में हम लोग सॉइल को डाल रहे हैं उस मोल्ड की वॉल्यूम 0.945 लीटर्स है। तो हमें कुछ लाइक ड्राई डेंसिटी, वॉइड रेशियो, डिग्री ऑफ सैचुरेशन और परसेंटेज वॉइड्स वगैरह हमें निकालना है, ठीक है। तो सबसे पहले हम लोग जैसे हमेशा करते हैं, गिवन जो भी चीज़ें गिवन है उसे पहले हम लोग लिख देंगे, that is mass of the soil 1.855 kg. Water content has also been given here 16% and volume 0.945 liters, ठीक है। हमें निकालना क्या है, तो जो भी निकालना है उसे हम लोग यहाँ लिख सकते हैं। ड्राई डेंसिटी निकालनी है, वॉइड रेशियो निकालना है, डिग्री ऑफ सैचुरेशन निकालना है और परसेंटेज एयर वॉइड्स निकालना है, ओके। सो लेट्स स्टार्ट। नाउ वी हैव टू डिटरमाइन द ड्राई डेंसिटी एंड वी नो दैट ड्राई डेंसिटी कैन easily be determined using this formula, correct? But for this we need to determine density or bulk density. How we can find the bulk density? We know bulk density is equal to mass by volume, okay. So mass has already been given 1.855 kg and volume has also been given 0.945, but 0.945 liters, and we know that if we have to convert it into meter cube we have to multiply it by 10 power minus 3. So density will be, after using calculator you will find that density will be 1962.96 kg per meter cube, okay. So this is density that we have found, okay. Using this we will find dry density, correct? So dry density, as we all know, is density upon 1 plus water content. What we have found the density? Density we have found 1962.96 kg, correct, divided by 1 plus water content. 1 plus water content has been provided as 16%, 0.16. So we can write that after calculation we will find 1692.21 kg per meter cube. I hope it is clear, okay. So after density we have to find void ratio. How can we find the void ratio? So we know dry density is also equal to 0W upon 1 plus E. पहले भी हमने देखा है इस फॉर्मूले को, एटलीस्ट पिछले 4 न्यूमेरिकल से लगातार इस फॉर्मूले का हम लोग यूज़ कर रहे हैं और इसी फॉर्मूले से हम लोग void ratio निकाल रहे हैं. So from here we can write E is equal to G rho W upon rho T minus 1. So or E is equal to 2.68 into 1000 divided by rho d. What we have obtained rho d, it is 1692.21 minus 1. So after calculation you will find that E is equal to 0.584. Okay, what next? S, that is degree of saturation. Okay, so we all know that S is equal to Wg upon E. E is equal to Wg upon S. We have already obtained it. Okay, so using this formula we can calculate degree of saturation. 0.16 into 2.68, that is G, specific gravity of solids, and E we have obtained just now, that is 0.584. From here we will find that 0.7342 is S. Okay, and if you want you can definitely write it in terms of percentage, that's 73.42%. Correct. What else we have to find? We have to find percentage air voids also. Okay, so what is this percentage air voids? Let us see that. We all know relationship between dry density and percentage air voids. This was obtained when we were going through the theory classes. Correct. Now simply we have to use this formula to find percentage air void. So from here definitely we can write 1 minus Na is equal to this term will go here, that is rho d into 1 plus Wg, and then divided by this term will be divided rho W. Okay, so now this is the equation and we have to put the value and we'll get the answer. Or 1 minus Na is equal to rho d. What is rho d? We have obtained dry density, that is 1692.21 into 1 plus Wg, 0.16 into 2.68. Okay, divided by G, 2.68 into rho W. What is rho W? 1000. Okay, so it will be, after calculation we will find it to be 0.9022. Okay, from here you can get Na is equal to 1 minus 0.9022 and it will be equal to 0.0978. You can also write it in terms of percentage. It will be equal to 9.78%. Okay, so this is how we can solve this numerical. Okay, now let us move to another numerical. Let us read this. A compacted cylindrical specimen, 50 mm dia and 100 mm length. Okay, there is a specimen of soil in cylindrical shape and it is having 50 mm dia and having the length as 100 mm. Okay, is to be prepared from oven dry soil. Okay, the soil from which we have to prepare this is oven dry. If the specimen is required to have a water content, now whatever specimen we are creating, we want that the water content of that specimen must be equal to 15%, and also we want the percentage air voids to be equal to 20%. Okay, this is our requirement. So for this condition we have to calculate the mass of the soil, how much soil we have to take, and mass of the water required. Okay, and G has been given here. Okay, so I think so it's clear. Let us move ahead. See, let ms be the mass of solids. जो भी आपके पास सॉइल है, उसमें सॉलिड्स भी हैं, उसका मास हमने मान लिया ms. क्यों मान लिया? क्योंकि यही तो हमें कैलकुलेट करना है ना. ठीक है, अगर मैं कह रहा हूँ कि वी हैव टू ऑब्टेन मास ऑफ द सॉइल, तो मास ऑफ द सॉलिड्स अगर हम ऑब्टेन कर लें और मास ऑफ द वाटर तो ऑब्टेन करना ही है, तो हम लोग बहुत आसानी से मास ऑफ द सॉइल भी ऑब्टेन कर लेंगे. ओके.